Look at this clutch of eggs. Somebody decided was a great place to sit. Welcome back to Shorebound Farms. I am Chastity. Today is Saturday. Thank God, praise the Lord. It rained the last 2 days, kind of like Thursday night and then Friday some. So today we are moving our chicks to a tractor because we have meat birds coming in this week and we need to get our brooder available for them. So we're moving the chicks into a tractor. They're big enough and we'll put a heater in there with them still in case it gets a little cool. We've moved wood, that was where we're gonna put that, and we are cleaning up that spot. Steven's mowing over there right now. And I am over here fixing to cover up my potatoes some because they desperately need it. They have grown a lot, so I wanna get those covered. So these are the potatoes. I need to get some of the weeds out too, because I do have some weeds that have grown in the bags. I think it's just from the soil that was in it. Anyway, they're growing really big and they're past the time that I need to cover them up with some more soil. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Not all of my potato cuttings have grown like these others, but they're starting to. I think they weren't covered enough. I think the rain washed it away because we had some pretty heavy storms there for a bit. Anyway, this is just some cheap potting soil that I have, and I'm just going to use it. I have to amend my other soil that I was going to use to pot up with, and I just haven't gotten to it yet. So I figure I will use this until I get to that. So far the bags are doing good though. We'll see what we have, like how well they do good.
I agree with you though. Good Lord, what are you doing? Can I see that? Well, thank you.
all nice and picked up. We're not gonna move them here. We decided against it because it's bare ground. We're gonna move them over here on the edge. I think it's a little higher ground here too. What are you doing, ma'am? You looking for your eggs? Are you looking for your eggs? Those were old rotted eggs. They weren't any good.
Yeah, I'm gonna pull this hose up.
Much better. Getting there. Do you want me to mow some? So the thing about homesteading, well, one of the things about homesteading is you always have a mess. I don't know how anybody keeps any of this cleaned, organized, because you're constantly fighting regular grass, regular weeds, and your building materials and just your general junk. Yeah, it's fun. But you always feel accomplished after things have grown and you're reaping the benefits. So I have these herbs. This is rosemary. It feels alive still. So just, this is some lemon thyme, I think, and then sage. These are in my old herb bed that we're gonna move, but the chicken's been digging in them. But okay, so we had a very unexpected freeze, and I didn't cover them because I'm stupid, I guess. But I watched the weather. I just didn't expect it to be a freeze like the way it was. My mistake. But the thyme and the sage came back nicely. The rosemary, I'm pretty sure, is fine. It was just the basil that got harmed. But I mean, that's basil. But rosemary's usually pretty hardy. It just hasn't come back yet. But the roots feel nice. Anyway, I moved them into this pot until I can get them completely transplanted. And because the chickens have been making dust baths in there, the ones that get loose. Okay, they have their new digs. They're all set up. Exploring. All right, the chicks are put up in their new place, and now we have put up in their new place. And now we have a place for the beaties when they come in this week. And we have a birthday dinner to attend. So we're fixing to go get changed, cleaned up and changed. Especially Phoebe.